For example, when it comes to the handshake, be creative and find alternatives. If you're a person who's in the office and every day customers comes to see you, this happens. Many brothers go through this, many sisters go through this. Be creative. When this person, when this client, when this patient, when this customer walks in, obviously many of them from the opposite gender will immediately extend their arm and hand. What do I do? One solution that you could do, have a beautiful box of sweets in your office. Whenever someone knocks on the door, someone wants to walk in, you stand up, carry the box with your two hands and offer it to them. You avoid the handshake. That's one way through which you avoid the handshake. My point, I'm just giving an example, brothers and sisters. The point of this discussion is train yourself to be creative and come up with alternative ways. There are ways. There are many ways. If you don't have a box of sweets on hand, there are other ways. Before the person comes in, place your hand on your chest. Give them a signal. Let them know. Explain to them in words. Tell them that this is my way of respecting you. This is my way of showing my appreciation for you.